They drag their feet, but they walk like me.
Look at the baby, though.
They hang on to their tails. That is so funny. We can all walk and hang on to something. Look if they got on the end of it. They can't hurt each other.
Uh-huh.